Father Kali and Father Bong might regularly hear these words or this expression with or from their Italian neighbors who would express their love and affection to each other by saying, "Ti voglio bene," meaning, I love you. Pero kung literal na translation po ang ating pagbabasihan, "Ti voglio bene" would not really mean I love you, but would really mean I wish you well. I wish you good. Our first reading from the letter of Paul to the Romans would again remind us of this call and would like to evaluate our end, our own experiences of loving, and even our expressions of love. It was the desire of Paul and eventually and originally God's desire that when we love, it is to will the good of the other. But if one is to choke the desire and even the willingness to will the good of the other, the wellness of the other, it might not be love anymore. Because the heart and art of loving is to wish well and do well. Our gospel began with these words. Great crowds were traveling with Jesus, and he turned and addressed them. It might be so normal for us to hear Jesus teaching a lot of people, most especially those who would follow him. Pero tiyak po ako na hindi lamang ito ginawa ni Jesus para makapagbigay dagdag kaalaman, pero para tulungan din sila na naisin ang mabuti at naisin ang mahalaga. Not only to learn or to teach, but to let them also will what is good and to be well. My dear brothers and sisters, it is not enough to say, I love you, but you do not care at all. Saying I love you could be empty and does more damage than good to another. Mahirap sabihin na mahal natin ang isang tao pero mapanakal tayo. The heart of loving is to wish well. The art of loving is to do well. Do not just see love as a word to utter, but see love as a life to live. Mean love by wishing and doing well for others. Love is to wish and to pray that another or a friend may one day be healed and be well. It is also love to wish and to pray that others may succeed. It is love to assist someone to again see the beauty and the goodness of life. Love is to say that I also wish to see your beautiful dreams becoming true. Pag-ibig ang sabihan ang isa na sana umunlad ka din. Pag-ibig ang masabihan o sabihan ang bawat isa na sana maging maligaya ka din. Because whenever we would wish others as good, we live love in all its fullness. The heart of loving is wishing well. The art of loving is doing well. Let us mean love and not just say love. And by wishing and doing well, love is alive. Love is meaningful.